Hey, Fred here with a how to use the Lil A194 Plus, not to be confused with the slightly smaller A194 envelope. To show you the fact that it can form capacity, if I just ease with the pressure there, gives it the ability to make box form. Some people quite like to actually push these sides all the way in and create gable-top form. In terms of sealing our products, all Lil products feature a hot melt peel and seal adhesive. 3 times stronger properties of adhesive over regular double-sided tape that you'd see on bubble mailers. It's important when you fold over the flap that actually you put a decent amount of pressure with the base of your palm there, and then you end up with a fantastic bond, as you can see. Unboxing experience, the consumer simply just tears off the herringbone perforation. Voila. As you can see and guess, it was predominantly designed for illustrated children's paperback books. If I pick on Stickman, it wouldn't have fit in the one that we always recommend for novels. The A194 Plus has just been increased to the height. Slipping inside makes its way down, plenty of room at the top there to fold over the flap. Seal that off. That's how we have as our finished article. FSC accredited, UK made, completely plastic free, made from entirely recycled materials. In fact, you can see the kind of blemishes in the repulping process of the papers. It can take, these kind of DSs, so actually put that inside there, you can see it actually makes quite comfortably around that. Thumbs in, sides in, and that's how you make into box format. Its design is to be the sustainable alternative to bubble mailers, which are a last century invention, invented in the 60s, 10 years before the concept of global warming existed. Manufacturers argue they can be recycled if you pull the plastic away from the paper and separate the layers, and nobody does it basically, which means almost every single unit is not recycled and goes to either landfill or incineration. Lil Envelope really does better the bubble mailer. So from a sustainability, yes, obviously. From an unboxing experience, well, these can be printed as nice as what I've got behind me here. From a returns point of view, you get a lot better corner damage protection in corrugated than you ever will within a bubble mailer. And it's the corner protection for e-commerce that you need more than anything. Faster fulfillment. These will always be faster to fill than a bubble mailer, purely that you can't manufacture a bubble mailer opening on a long edge. Long edge is proven faster to fulfill. The fact that we have an overhanging release paper on a bubble mailer, you have to literally peel it off with the back of your nail, which is not a nice experience. I hope this plea for you to consider something other than unsustainable options is well met. We're just here to help you pick the right path to the unboxing utopia. Mail happy.